I accidentally sold my Japan ETF by doing this video, so be careful. Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be guiding you through the process of selling or switching a fund on Vanguard. This video is a part of a playlist called How to Vanguard, which is dedicated to answering any question you may have about using Vanguard. It is crucial to understand the process of selling or switching a fund, especially if your portfolio consists of multiple index funds and ETFs. As your investment increase over time, it becomes necessary to sell or switch some of them to rebalance your portfolio, as not all your index funds and ETFs will grow at the same pace. Now sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how to sell or switch a fund on Vanguard. There are two ways to sell or switch your investment from the dashboard. The first method, click on the portfolio option in the top right corner, which will reveal the sell and switch option. The second method, and the one that I believe is the most commonly used, click on the investments and then choose what index fund or ETF you want to sell or switch. Let's say I want to sell or switch Japan ETF. Click on the three dots. Here you have three options: top up, sell, or switch. Now I'll go with the sell option. Continue. Here you have to choose where to receive the money after the sale is complete. Pay to your bank account or leave it as cash in your ISA for buying later. I'll explain the switch later. Now I'll go with leave as cash in your ISA and click next. You have two options to sell on this page. First, you can input the amount you wish to sell, for example £100, and then click next. The second, you can choose to sell by the number of the units. Simply change to units and then input the number of the units you want to sell. I currently hold 21 units and let's say I want to sell 10, and then click next. Or if you want to sell all of your investment, select all and then click next. On this page, double check if the amount you intended to sell is correct, then click submit. I accidentally sold my Japan ETF by doing this video, so be careful. Your order will be complete at the next available trade point, which typically take place twice a day. Now let's go back to the switch option. Let's say I want to go with develop Europe, exclude UK. Click on the three dots and then click switch. Choose the index fund or ETF you want to switch, and as in the selling option, you can switch by either entering the value or the number of units, or you can switch all of your holdings. I'll go with £100 for develop Europe, exclude UK, and then click next. On this page, select which index fund or ETF you want to switch to by clicking add more investments. You can switch to multiple index fund or ETFs if you want to. I'll go with a single investment, VWRL, which is an ETF that tracks an index fund. Add the percentage you want to switch, in my case 100%, then click next. Again, review the index fund or ETF you have selected to switch, in my case develop Europe, exclude UK, as well as the percentage allocated to the new investments, for me VWRL, and make sure that they are accurate. If everything is correct, select you have read the key investor information document, then click submit. To check if your order is complete, go back to the overview page and in the last transaction section, you should see a pending order. That's all for today. My name is Michael and I'll see you in the next one.